Hi guys, this is going to be a quick video demonstrating how to create and get started with our digital portfolios utilizing Google Sites. And the first step to this is going to be to log into our student email through Google Chrome, and that way we have access to our apps in the waffle here, and we can go ahead and click on Sites. Now we have a number of different templates that Google has provided for us. Just make sure that if we are utilizing these tools, that we use that as a model and we erase their content and replace that with our own. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to go ahead and start a new site with a blank slate. Now the first step to starting up our Google site is to give it a name. So since these are our digital portfolios, I want you to go ahead and add your first and last name up in the corner and digital portfolio. Right, and you'll notice right away that once you click out of that, it automatically saves the name up here on the top as digital portfolio. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this, copy and paste this as my title as well, and that way everything is synced up automatically. Now you'll notice if you go right over here to the right, you have a number of different themes that you can toggle through. So you can choose the background that you like the best. You can go through these different themes and pick whichever one works best for you. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one as we move forward right now. Now for this assignment, we want to have multiple pages, and one of those pages we're going to create multiple sub-pages within there. So we want to go over here to our pages, and we'll notice that we're left with our home page. That's this first one that's come up. And we have a plus sign to add a new page. This next page we're going to go ahead and title Safety and Sanitation. And we're also going to make two subpages, and to do that we want to hover over that first page until we see these three horizontal or vertical dots rather. And we click Add Subpage. And we're going to call the first one Hand Washing Poster. We're going to call the second subpage Video Demo. Now if you wanted to reorder these, you can just put one over the other, drop them down, however you'd like. If you make a mistake and need to go back, you can press that back button as many times as you need to, and that'll undo whatever action you just did. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the home page. Since we've already previously brought together some About Me information, we want to go ahead and just utilize that information that's already been created so we don't have to recreate any content. We're going to go ahead and start with an About Me section. And in order to bring this up, I'm going to go ahead and go into my Google Drive. And I'm going to access my slides that I have previously created. So my About Me slides, I have all of this text information that I've already created. I can just start by highlighting, hitting Command A to select all, right click to copy, and then paste that right in the text. And that's going to go ahead and take a lot of that extra legwork out of something that I've already done previously. Now to add an image, I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus sign, and I'm going to bring in an image from my drive again. And on my drive, I have my images right here in my personal photos. And I'm just scrolling down to this photograph that we took in front of the statue of Bruce Lee on a field trip last year out to Los Angeles. Now that I'm done with my home page, I've got all my About Me information. I'm going to go ahead and go into Safety and Sanitation. Now this first page, I want you guys to go ahead and insert a text box. And I want you to give a one paragraph summary of your knowledge, the best of your ability, of the content we've covered so far on Safety and Sanitation. So tell us a little bit about the subject. Make sure that you use vocabulary that's relevant to this unit that we've recently covered. All right. If you wanted to add some images, some things like that, you can go ahead and insert image, click select. You have the option to do a Google image search. And you can type in things like food safety. All right. This has been kind of a main theme here for us, that we want to stop foodborne illness. So that may be a good appropriate picture. You can also add some extra text over here, or put your paragraph summary next to the picture if you'd like. If you'd like to add a video or anything else to kind of liven it up a little bit, you're welcome to do that as well. Now we're going to go ahead and go to our hand washing poster. And since this is already something that we have previously done, and I would like to also include some other images here, I'm going to go ahead and find some images of hand washing just to kind of give us a taste of what we're doing here. So by selecting a few images from the web, this kind of helps enhance what we're doing here. Tells a better story with our page. And for this one, we want to use something previously created within our Drive. So you guys recently worked on these hand washing posters as part of your portfolio assignment. And one student named Daniel V did an excellent job here, so I'm going to go ahead and use Daniel's work as an example. So you guys have this information here. Again, if you'd like to insert some text, and then you can go ahead and give an explanation of why this is important. So why do we need to understand the process of hand washing? Why do we need to do this right? Is there a right way? Is there a wrong way? Go ahead and give some explanation here. So when we're done with this page, we can go down to our video demonstration. And again, we'd like to go ahead and give a quick title. Alright, and again, this is something we previously created. So we can go ahead and go into our Drive, go into our recent files, and insert that video for our proper hand washing demo. When you guys are all finished, you can go ahead and preview this entire thing. I suggest go to your home page first, and this is going to give you a quick look at what your document is going to look like. So you can toggle through, you can see the main safety and sanitation page. Of course, this is going to have more information written out where you've put your one paragraph summary. You've included your hand washing poster and any text information that you need to explain why this is important, as well as your video demonstration. And of course, you can toggle between 3 views, whether it's a tablet, a cell phone, or a large screen like this one that I'm demonstrating on. And that's going to show you what it's going to look like on the other end based on what type of device people are looking at your website with. When you're all done and you're ready to share this, go ahead and make sure you click share with others, and you make sure that you change the link so that only people within the district or within this group are able to view this assignment. So within that, everyone is a viewer. That means they're not going to be able to go back and edit your work. Go ahead and click done. When you're all set and you're ready to publish, you can click publish. And I'm going to call this Mr. Porter's digital portfolio. We'll call it number 2. And we're going to go ahead and publish. Once this has been successfully published, you can go ahead and view. Check this out one more time, make sure that you're happy with it. If you ever need to go back and edit this copy, you can do so again. And to figure out how to upload this to your Google Classroom to complete this assignment, check out the next video I have that explains that process.